Hey, what's up guys? This is Babul Gojali back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Java development kit. So the first procedure is you need to download this file. You can download this file from the internet. Just Google it, JDK Java development kit, and you'll find it. Download the required version, this 32 or 64-bit according to your operating system, and after that just open this and go to the procedure of next installing it. After that you will need to set up the Java, and I'm going to show you how to set up the Java development kit. So now when you install this software, that does not even need any that just needs the basic knowledge of running any software. Okay, after you install it, go to the directory where you installed it. I installed it in the C program file Java. As you can see, here are two folders: the Java development kit and Java runtime environment. So now you need to set it up. As you can go to CMD and type in Java, you will see that Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. So now you need to set up so that your system know that yeah, Java is installed in it. So to do that, what you need to do is go to this PC or my computer, go to properties. In the properties, go to advanced system settings, and inside here go to environment variables. As you open this, you can see here are there are user variables and there are system variables. You need to set it up in the system variables. Click on new. Here type in java underscore home in caps. So after here you need to paste the variable of the Java development kit, like here it is. So if you are in Windows 7, you would need to customly go to the bin folder. You don't need to paste the uh, location of this folder. You have to open this. Inside here, this is the bin folder. You need to copy this path and paste it here. But if you are on Windows 10, you would just go to browse directory and you can browse it and paste it. Both options work. As you paste it here and click OK. Now find a variable named path. Here it is. Click on edit. In the edit menu, go here. Now click new and paste the same path here. Now again go to the folder of Java and copy the path of the Java runtime environment, the bin folder of Java runtime environment, and copy this and do the same. Click new and paste it here. After these two are done, click OK 3 times and close this window. Okay. So now if you open CMD and type in Java and press enter, as you can see that now the system recognizes the command, and now we can check the Java compiler. Java C is the command for Java compiler. Here it is working. So I hope my video that I made you'll find it helpful, and it'll work for you. So thanks for watching. Drop a like and subscribe. Peace.